In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make private page in GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to toggle, so a specific page is visible only to people you authorize. This is great for member-only content, client resources, or internal updates you don't want on the public site. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type GoDaddy and select the official GoDaddy website in the results. Once you're on the homepage, sign in to your account. After you're logged in, look to the top right of the screen for your account name or profile icon and open that menu. From there, choose My Products. This takes you to a dashboard listing everything connected to your account. Next, locate the website you want to work on. If you manage multiple sites, pause for a second to confirm you're selecting the correct one, then open its website editor. Inside the editor, go to your list of pages. Find the specific page you want to make private. If you're deciding between a few, think about which content truly needs restricted access so your visitors still get a smooth experience on the rest of your site. When you've identified the right page, look for a small gear icon next to its name. Click that gear to open the page's options. Then choose Page Settings. This is where you control important options like visibility and navigation. In Page Settings, find the Private Page toggle and switch it on. Turning this on restricts who can view the page. Depending on your site's setup, visitors may need to sign in or be part of a members list to access it. Keep that in mind if you're planning to share the link with clients or a team. Make sure they have the proper access. If you already use members or groups, this setting works hand in hand with those controls. Once you've enabled the Private Page toggle, click Done to save your changes. Your editor now recognizes that this page is private. If your site requires publishing to push changes live, your updates will take effect the next time you publish. A few quick tips to finish strong. Consider how people will reach this private page, through your navigation or a direct link, and update your menu or communications accordingly. If you want to double-check the restriction, view your site in a private browser window or sign out and try to access the page. You should be prompted for the appropriate credentials. That's it. You've successfully marked a page as private in your GoDaddy website, keeping sensitive or exclusive content exactly where it belongs.